How's it going, my brothers? This is gonna be a very quick video. So what I want to show you today, it's this really nice, super good quality audio jack cable from the brand name Omaker. I have one connected to the Note 7 here, and I think this is like 3 feet or something like that. It's already connected. The other end is connected to the audio input in my car. And these cables are gonna offer you really good quality sound. They come in different sizes, and we received here 3 cables. I believe this is the same size than the cable I have connected to the Note 7. They also offer this longer one, and they look super nice. We have this really nice orange color on both ends, and there is the Omaker branding right there, and they come protected with this little tip right there on the top. And as you guys can see, it's a gold plated color. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do audio tests. The cords are rubberized. They feel really nice. They feel like really good quality. Here's another one. This is a little bit shorter, and I believe it's the same length than the one I have connected to my phone right now. Of course, I'm going to include the link in the description of this video to go ahead and buy these super nice cables. So let's see if we can play some music here. When I turn it up big time. Wow, that's all I can say. Wow, big time by all means. This cable really improved the sound quality. I was using this really cheap flat cord. I had another good cord, but mine broke, so I was using this cheap one that I bought for like $5. And I can tell you big time, guys, the sound from these Omaker cables, it's way better. So there you have it. If you like playing music in your car and you have to use an audio cable because your car doesn't offer Bluetooth, just like mine doesn't have Bluetooth, this is a really good option. Make sure you take a look at the description of this video to go ahead and buy these really nice cables. We'll see you guys later. Peace out.